Everyone, how's everyone going? Hope everyone is doing well out there. Today I want to give a honest opinion about this system called My Lead Gen Secret, right? This is a company. They're very similar to a autoresponder, right? And it's all got everything in one place. Very unique way you can start getting leads and also start sending those leads email, right? So this is a system that's actually created to be able to do that for you, right? So you can come in here, and if you have a capture page, just send people to the capture page, and those people, once they come into your capture page, and all the details will be stored onto the My Lead Gen Secrets website, right, on the system. And you can come here every single day and start sending those people emails, right? So you can do email marketing through using Lead Gen Secret, right? So I'll give my pros, I'll give my cons, so you can actually decide if this is the system that you want to use to actually grow your business online, right? So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sanjeev, and on this channel I provide value on different ways you can also make money online, including affiliate marketing, and all those good stuff, right? So this actual program, which I was using for about 7 days, right? And just to test drive how it is and everything. And what I actually found was what I also saw on YouTube, it wasn't that true, right? Because the system that you, once you start connecting to your autoresponder, which is all in one, those emails tend to go to people's junk mail, right? Because it hasn't got like the DCAM and all those things connected onto your backend, right? If you are sending email just like that and it's not landing on inbox, the deliverability will be really bad, right? So that's the reason I stopped using it. Another issue was that with this system you'll start to get leads onto your system, right? Because the promise is the company will give you leads, but I actually don't know where the lead is actually coming from, right? Those can be bought leads. I don't know if they're real or not, right? So those are the issues that I was seeing with this system. And you can go ahead, it's pretty cheap to join up, right? But I don't actually recommend it, because you're going to get like tons of leads, and those leads won't even get your emails. I don't even know how they actually get the leads from, right? So the source, I don't know where this leads actually coming from. If they're going to be opening my email, I don't know if they're gonna buy it, right? So those are the issues that I was seeing with this system, and I don't recommend it, because you're going to be losing a lot of money, even though you're going to get like 100,000, 200,000 emails given to you, but those leads won't actually buy from you, right? So it's like a total waste of money. But what I actually suggest, if you want to build a business that's going to create a long-term residual income for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below, and once you click on that, that's going to be the first link. You're going to land on this website, right? So it's all in one business model where you can actually learn how to do everything the proper way, right? Proper way to build, connect your autoresponders, proper way to actually get traffic onto your funnel, proper way to actually get people to buy your offers, right? Because it's all about learning the fundamentals. If you don't know the fundamentals, it's going to be very difficult for you to get sales, right? So I'll share with you the back end, what you're actually going to get. So this is a funnel builder tool. The system, the training will all go over like the funnel builder, how you can actually build up your funnel, and how you can also get people inside your funnel and also convert those people into buying customers, right? This is a recurring income business that you're going to be creating, very awesome. And we got all these free methods here, right? I've been in the program for a long time, and I started to get recurring commission, right? So I highly recommend you to check this out. If you're a complete beginner, you want to earn that recurring income that will allow you to quit your job, spend more quality time with your kids and your family, and be able to travel the world and to live the life on your own term, right? Rather than you just taking secrets from here, tips from here. This is all in one, which means everything that you want to do and get success online, you're going to find with this system right here. And we do 11 mastermind calls every single week, right? So which is awesome way to build a business for your long-term success, right? And also you're going to get a lot of bonus from my side as well. I give all this bonus to my team, and once you actually decide to go ahead, I'll leave a link for my Facebook profile. You can talk to me, and any question, any issues you have, you can reach out to me, and I'll be here to support and guide you every single step of the way, right? So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and I cannot wait to make you successful with this awesome HBA business model. Thank you again, and may God bless you all, and you have an awesome and a wonderful day. Bye for now.